हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं कर्नल चहल हूं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ वेरी कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन इन द एसएसबी विद यू एंड द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन द आर्म्ड फोर्सेस. So a lot of candidates, give a very routine and a stereotype answer to this. They would normally say that, sir, I was very motivated right from the childhood to join the forces. कोई बोलेगा कि sir, I want to join the armed forces to serve the nation. Then he may ask you that, okay, there are other ways also to serve the nation. Why do you want to join the armed forces only? So when you're answering this question, you have to understand that the interviewing officer is primarily trying to understand how much are you motivated to join the armed forces. तो आपके motivation level को check करने के लिए usually ये question पूछा जाता है. The reason for that is that armed forces is a very very challenging, very tough life, and if a person cannot live up to the very very challenging and difficult life of the forces, तो वो क्या होता है कई बारी during the training itself candidates give up. Certain cadets, they even commit suicide. They find it so difficult. And also some cadets who may pass out may always throughout their life feel that they are a misfit in the organization. So therefore it is very important for the interviewing officer to know that you are really motivated to join the forces. Now this answer to this question cannot be framed by somebody else for you. Each person will have his own reasons, and you must have more than one reasons, multiple reasons. Let's say if you are a sports person, you could think of telling him that, sir, I am a sports person and I like to lead a very very active life, a very challenging life of the forces. I don't visualize myself sitting behind a desk pushing files. Somebody can say that he is very keen to travel and meet new people and would like to live in an organization that is very disciplined and where there is so much of social bonhomie that each person lives for the other. So all these reasons could be inspiring you. In some cases कईयों की family background ऐसी होगी, उनकी family में कोई armed forces में था या some relative of yours or some acquaintance जिसने आपको बहुत इंस्पायर किया. सो मे बी यू गॉट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट पर्सन एंड यू वांट टू जॉइन द फोर्सेस. सो यू मस्ट हैव योर ओन रीजंस. नाउ सेकंड पॉइंट विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी केप्ट इन माइंड इज that he will have certain follow-up questions to this just to gauge कि आप genuinely motivated हो कि आप ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए कुछ बोल रहे हो. So the follow-up questions could be something like, he may ask you about the organizational structure, he may ask you about certain equipment या कोई weapon systems जो lately induct हुआ है forces में. तो अगर आपको genuinely interest होगा forces में तो naturally you would have acquired all this information. So 2 points to be kept in mind जब भी आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर अपने लिए फ्रेम कर रहे हो. फर्स्टली, स्पीक फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ योर हार्ट. इट हैज़ टू बी योर आंसर एंड व्हेन यू आर गिविंग आउट दिस आंसर you should feel goosebumps. You should feel, the way you speak should tell the interviewing officer that you genuinely mean it. And the second very, very important thing is that you must acquire adequate knowledge about the forces. अगर आपको उसके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है तो नेचुरली इट शोज कि यू आर नॉट रियली मोटिवेटेड. आप ऐसे ही यू जस्ट अ जॉब सीकर. सो दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. एंड लाइक दिस वी विल कीप डिस्कसिंग न्यू पॉइंट्स, न्यू topics every time. All the best. See you again.